What is up, Team Tiarrea B? If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe. I'm Tiarrea B, and I'm just doing me. And in today's video, you are in for a special treat. I have a new product to introduce to you and I was super excited. So stay tuned. Let's unbox this product together. Here we go. So here is the package. I cut the top off so we don't have to worry about struggling to get into it. And let's just open. So it's wrapped here. And then bubble wrapped. That's good. Keep the product safe. And voila! As you all know, I am on a hair growth journey and I have been trying out oils all year to grow my hair, and I just finished using the oil, so I am ready for a new one, and this is just in time. Here is the product from Fine Leaf Designs. Let you take a look at that. I will also turn it to the side and see if you can see the small print. If you got some good eyes, you might be able to read. But one thing that stands out to me the most from what I see here at first glance is that the very first ingredient is biotin. And if you know anything about hair growth, biotin definitely helps to grow your hair. So I'm definitely excited to try this product. It is sealed across the top, which is a plus. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up. Let's just see. It smells like it has some type of minty scent. And I'm definitely okay with that. So let's see. So I'm going to shake it up so we can get a feel of the texture. Just go ahead and open it. I love that it has the dropper. That's always a plus for me. I'm definitely getting into the droppers this year because they're so easy to apply the oil to your scalp directly. And so this oil looks like kind of a yellow, kind of a dark yellow color. And it looks like it's going to be a light oil. It's not very thick, and that is also good for me as well. So let's just see. Yeah, it definitely smells minty. I wonder if there's some peppermint in here. I don't see peppermint. Okay, some vitamin D, some lavender, some aloe. Okay. All right, so let's just try it out. Let's try it out. So when I use a new product to grow my hair, I like to give it 2 weeks to see if it works. So as you all know, at least 2 weeks, sometimes it's 3. I will be back with the update. Okay, I'm going to let y'all know how it works for me. I will be taking these out very soon, within the week. And so I will be checking back in with you guys for sure. But for the sake of this review and demo, we are jumping right on in. So my edges are growing really well. But I would love if this product just went ahead and brought them all the way to life, honey. I'm just a little bit away. I've got a little bit of a spot here that's kind of bald, and one spot right here. So hopefully this oil will do the trick, you guys. I'm very happy to have this product. Shout out to Fine Leaf Design for sponsoring this video. Thank you so much for sending me this product to review, and thank you for sponsoring me today. I appreciate you. So anyway, let's go ahead and continue with this demo. So yeah, just as I figured, it's definitely light, it's easy to apply, and I'm just gonna get in where I can as best I can. And then I will be using this product at least every day to every other day until it runs out, and then I will come back and let you guys know my results. So before I can really tell if it's growing, I know I just measured my hair, but for the sake of this video, I do have one of my twists that is already down. So lucky for me, and lucky for this video. I can give you guys a starting point. And this time I will not clip my ends while I'm in the middle of a growth challenge. So let's see. I'm pretty sure I'm at 8.5, but for the sake of this video, let's go ahead and measure one more time. So right now my hair is 8.5. So right there, 8.5, you guys. So the goal with this product is to get my hair to 9 inches. This area right here, you guys, 9 inches. And so to make sure I pay special attention to this area, I'm going to put the oil right in there. And then I'm going to give it a good massage. Anytime you use a growth oil to grow your hair, you want to give it a good massage. And now that I'm massaging it in, I can tell you guys, this feels really good going on my hair. It's super smooth. And I feel like I want more of it, honestly. I think I'm going to end up purchasing more of this or working out another sponsorship opportunity with this company because, oh my God, this feels so good. My hair feels very, very soft and I'm loving that. Before I put this on, my hair was feeling dry because I hadn't done my moisture routine yet. And usually I have to do the liquid oil and the conditioner, so the LOC method for my hair to feel like this. But I didn't add any liquid and I don't have any cream right here. And all you saw me put on was this oil and my hair feels very moisturized. So that is a plus. So I'm loving this product already. And I am just going to go ahead and continue to use this. And I will definitely be back with an update. I'm going to twist this up. But I will be paying special attention to this area right here because this is the area that we are trying this oil on to make sure that it's going to grow my hair. Because it has biotin and lots of other stuff. There's vitamin D and aloe. And I know those are a few things that help to grow hair. So yeah, guys, stay tuned for my results. I'm going to continue to put this oil all throughout my hair as best I can with my locks. And then once I take them down, I will have a little bit more access to my scalp. But for now, we're just going to use it to the best of my ability. Get in there. Seems like a little of this is going to go a long way, which is really good. So I'm happy about that. All right, get all around the back. And that pretty much covers my whole head for the most part. Let me get in over here, and I'll show you how much it took to get all inside my hair. And then, of course, you always want to massage. But yeah, so I got my whole head feeling good. There's a slight tingle once the product has been on your head for a few moments, which I love that. So I think that this is going to go a long way for me, even though it is a smaller bottle, but only barely scratched the surface. It's right here, you guys. So I'm very happy about that. So I will be back with an update once it's gone. It's a smaller bottle, it's a sample bottle, so I'm thinking maybe a week, maybe 2 weeks, but I definitely want to let you guys know how my hair did. I think it's going to be a great outcome, so stay tuned, you guys, and be on the lookout for the video. I will update you guys as soon as I am done. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Yeah, guys, so if you're interested in purchasing this oil, definitely I am going to put their link in the description so that you can check it out yourself and you can get you some oil as well. Go ahead and get your strands growing, okay? We're going to get all our inches in 2020. We're playing no games. So get you some. I'm going to use mine and I will let you guys know exactly how my hair grows over the next couple of weeks. So stay tuned. I am Tiarrea B, and I am out. Bye.